Start the time.
Get there, Panthers.
I know I was like, look what you did, bro. Yeah. Oof. No.
Be smart!
Get up.
Okay.
No, not up now.
Yeah, we gotta do it when we go to Need contacts. We're gonna get contacts next year. Alright, let's see what this looks like.
Backs, make sure you're talking.
I was wondering if Edie was going to come watch this game, and you've got the best seat in the house. You're playing one of his teams.
And I have a video.
And you have video, yeah. I was videoing yours. Oh, where's that defensive pressure, ladies? Let's see it. So is that a, who made that? Yeah, she wasn't looking. Whoever it was, like, I can see they were. Oh, look, are those prescription? I thought maybe we were just being a Madonna on the sidewalk. Promise. Oh shit, I gotta run out water.
Did they turn like
Yeah. Nice off. Nice offload.
All right, ladies, go get a bed.
Go. That's right. There goes Ruck again. Has the hand on the ground.
Go get it back, ladies. We're gonna go get it back.
Oh, let's tackle!
Get up on them, ladies. Hey, get up. Talk to them, right? Move me just up. Smash that middle, be just on the edge. Ladies, water, go. See her smiling that whole run? She knows.
Hubert, you need to switch, give her a break. Yeah. You play wing outside. Sam, thank you. For a second.
Aguas en medio, ya la cambiaron.
Hi!
Hey!
How
I was gonna come and see you after I cooled down.
Yes.
Jonathan, how are you? It's hot, man.
Good, yeah, that was a challenge.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yeah,
for
of
those
course,
things.
of course.
That was so much fun.
Oh my god, I cannot believe you went to kicks. That was
Jesus.
crazy.
I just read that last night too, and I was like, what are the odds of that happening?
I was kind of bummed when I changed the policy. There's these policies at high school, and I'm like, I get it because they're limited to. Games. That's why I'm like, they're limited to 90 minutes in a day, but I also think I should be paid. You know, like that.
Oh yeah, absolutely. And with these conditions, I think for sure that was a good move.
Yeah. Yeah. And I thought you took a lot of break.
I said, so please. That'd be a good match. And we get along so good with all the things that I was telling well, I'd say it'd probably be, wouldn't it, that wouldn't it? Yeah, exactly. It would have been a total. What's a who's mentioned so, wouldn't you think? Yeah, I gotta boys.
Tell them hi.
Thanks, guys. I'll see you next week. Cheers. Come on. Yeah. Someone else can get the honor of doing that.
All right, let me get, so your first one was?
17 alls.
Yeah, before I got 17, 18 on that one. Okay, what did I do? I went and asked Jonathan. He decided I had 22 something. So I got that one, and then this one was
36-12.
I asked Kyle, the summit coaches that I asked did not have food in the 30s.
Really? Yeah, of course, right?
I think Aaron should have 27 or something like that. I don't
No,
know.
no.
36-12. Okay.
36,
That's
yeah.
hilarious.
Yeah, they just roped it in the
They
second
did.
half.
Yeah, the first 20 minutes I was like,
First 20 minutes, they put a hell of an effort.
Totally,
They put
totally.
it down, and I was like, of course, Curry had that gift in the 5 minutes in the game. He gave me the score.
Right.
I knew that was.
And then, but it came out pretty quickly.
Yeah. Yeah, true.
4 years?
Yeah, true. It's definitely feeling himself now. But when they get those tricks, that does have a chance. I watched there's a bench kid. Yeah. He's another one. It's like through the roof with that. He ran into me when I did OSU Bend during the season. I did a GT game, and he ran into a brick wall there.
He's solid.
Yeah, he got yellowed for his yapping, and that was the end of it.
really?
Oh yeah, I yellowed him. He was way too much.
Oh my God.
It wasn't even for like a actual penalty. It was just his mouth. Finally, I just said, I've had enough of you. Why don't you just take a break? So he came up to me the following week that I was a break to the next video game. I was like, you remember me, that's for sure.
And her, I know she's gonna pass to her, but obviously to the next person.
Not in the playoffs. Yeah, we only record the scores of the 35-point stretch. So in theory, there's discussion about what that looks like. But some teams are like, I don't want to have my, we're okay, and we want our girls to continue to play together. Some will mix it up. So.
Next week, when's the first trip? What time are you starting doing Saturday? 9:30. Okay, so my goal will be down there around that time. Okay, so is there a possibility to bring the car up by the bathroom / concession?
So email me and I'll ask Amy, because I don't know where the water mains are.
Okay.
I'm imagining that space. I just don't want to take a warm-up space.
No, exactly. I just want to put a space where the people walking in can see it, have the raffle, and then I'll set up a table, fill up the tickets, and get the go.
Okay. Yep,
Okay.
sounds good. All right, see you later. Oh, mercy. So theoretically, they're supposed to then have a conversation about it's 35-point difference. How do you want to do this? Do you want to mix up sides? But most teams that I've decided to at that point is like I've watched like Cody's side this year. They're actually
Let's get that pressure going, ladies.
On one of the teams that they were playing. There was one game where all of their backs came forwards and all their backs were forwards and all their forwards were backs. And but I was like, did you know because not one of those backs has ever been in this spot?
I'm saying, yeah.
And then the boys were like, no, we want to go contested. And I was like,
Well, of course they do, right?
Yeah, right? That's true. But yeah, so theoretically they should start moving players in different positions or teams with their else on the field.
Ladies, you gotta get them up. You have to get your girls up in there. 3 steps.
Yeah. All right. In the playoffs, you report the score and you scored.
Go get that, Giselle. It's yours.
Get back in the seat. Last year we went up to some after what was it?
Yeah.
Set it up. Why are you walking? Why are you walking, ladies?
I have to actually, my business partner is going at 5:30.
Oh, okay.
So but I don't know. Like,
I might organize a couple people,
Yeah, do it. Oh, actually, Jim Couch was saying, but they might have already gone. They were going to Kent Station.
Yeah. I think they're going to get the party cleared early and probably
Probably. Yeah. I would imagine that's probably the case. I think you're right.
So I'll be walking into a shit show there, I think.
Yeah.
Ready? Up! Pressure on ladies.
So,
Ladies, pressure! Why are we walking and waiting for them to come to you?
We've got a big flop right here.
So you gotta talk to them,
On this
all
side.
right?
Yeah.
Y'all are letting them come to you. Put the pressure on
Yeah,
them.
so
It's the only thing that works.
I said to Ross, I don't even but I purposely said, I said, do not put Alpine on one varsity, one club, and then have them leave after half the team and then the final two. And so he went and he said, we changed it here, and we thought he sent down.
That's what I thought, yeah.
And what was it? Timberwolves got their med kit stolen last night.
Oh, okay.
So if they take anything out of it, like during your game, and if anything comes out of it, and then there's on the white garage door, it's actually unlocked. So you put everything in there. Just the truth or everything? I would say probably.
Ladies, you gotta get up there and then face it. Consistent. Over and over and over again. They pass, go get in her face. They pass, get her face.
Yeah, so that would be great.
You're not tired.
Yep.
No, you're not. No, you're not. Go get it, ladies. Put that pressure on them.
I would just put it in there because he's
Play your game.
I was going to let you know.
One. Go get it back!
for sure. Okay, awesome. All right, I'm going to go under some scores.
Go now, set up our game, ladies. Let's play ours.
Absolutely. Yeah, or wherever. In Portland or, yeah. I agree. Okay. Yeah, sounds good, Jeff.
Yes, Taylor! Blanca, see where you're at right now? You've got to be back here. See that? She engages, you get a drop. Thank you, Taylor.
Nice work, ladies. Nice work.
Bridget, take a beat.
Why do I only have, this is our lineup, why am I missing somebody? Ladies, what are we doing?
Okay, let's go, guys.
Well, it's too late now, Mo. Oh, it's too late, you gotta come out.
No, stop.
IPQ 942.
Nice job, Cameron!
God, I love that. Where the hell is that? In the American game. Oh, really? Yeah. Oh, would she really if she did it?
Ace! Ace!
Jazzy. Points. Think it's our kick, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, you know, the name's familiar. I don't know.
Black ball.
Okay. Yeah, I've heard that name.
Black ball, play it!
Oh, shit. Okay, yeah. Oh, okay. So I knew he was an old town. Oh, he's great. All his free time goes into his around the house. He's his job. I'm putting my team off that. Future's wide open. Sky's the limit.
Sam, it's too far back.
Everybody else is new. It's changed from the nice kind of non-profit, laid-back atmosphere. Very peaceful, very relaxed, no pressure, and now it's deadline, numbers.
Abby, you let me know when you're ready, all right? When you feel like you're ready to get back in.
It trickles down to the kids. Everybody's decided. Yeah, I like that. She is like that. She doesn't do anything special.
Haley, you're gonna be deep. She got it? Are you the gunner?
Yes.
You can't be our gunner. The one person who can't be the gunner. Hey, if you didn't want a gun, someone has to replace you.
Yeah, she's a bit crusty, but
She doesn't understand that. She keeps inserting, she can't insert. I'm telling her, I give her free reign. It's like, go crazy. You have to have somebody to replace you, cover your spot.
I'll shoot me an agenda though. So once we figure these out, I'd like to have, a couple. If she gives us a guide, I mean, we're still talking about bullshit anyway, but if she gives us a guide.
Better off having somebody else over the backfield.
Oh, phenomenal. No, lower level. A lower level experience. The organization of it was effective, but it was explosive. It was, 30 minutes before, in the big meeting, the pre-tournament meeting, they're asking for suggestions on rules, and the tournament booklet wasn't the day of the tournament. It's Gil's first time in the world, so he's getting his feet wet. He gained his confidence at the tournament. I think Ace has the organizer.
Nearly perfect, Maddie. Nearly there. Great effort, Maddie.
All right, Mark, KT, let's see it.
We're working so hard on getting it to drop like 10 and a half. That was almost right there, Maddie. Almost. Very nice. Next time, right? Next time.
My dad is refereeing 25 teams with 3 fields.
Big push, Green! Go get this back, Green!
2 of us in a whole day.
Make this your scrum, Green!
It's 1 field. I mean, come on. It's a big challenge. That's the I'm sorry that we met about because the book on him was crystal clear. Exactly.
Taylor!
That's it.
Taylor, take a breath!
Taylor, come!
I really like this. You ready? Verbal diarrhea.
Close up that tunnel.
Yeah.
Pay attention, forwards.
Skippy, come this way.
There we go, Giselle.
Squared it away here. To leave the pitch that night.
Taylor, take a breath, right? 2 breaths.
Back up, Allison.
That's Hanani's call. Did Taylor just take that from her?
Yeah, that's it.
Possibly, but I did say Taylor take a breath so that she remembered. So she might have thought that I was telling her to take a breath.
Yeah.
So well.
2 in a row.
Yeah. Yeah, you just put on the show. What?
I was just wondering about, right?
I don't think so.
Yep. Exactly right, Haley. Exactly right.
Diamond!
To the mark! Hanani, to the sir!
Yeah.
Start yelling, up! We need to communicate.
I don't think so.
Yeah.
That's all, well, it must have been like Yahira must have got the ball to her. Because Yahira had the ball.
Yeah, block out!
Yeah. Well, see them next weekend.
Oh, maybe it was.
Yeah.
Yahira was definitely running with the ball.
Do we want to give her a...
I want to find out how it happened. Like, if she took that into a ruck, then absolutely.
That's it.
That's 2 that Olivia's been scoring. I wonder if she's going to
I was wondering that during the
Immediately. And that was the thing. That's actually why I struggled just a little bit. And I still thought I was good, but I was like, wait, I'm not bringing my brand. I'm skating. I'm not actually running. You know, and so then at halftime, and Jonathan hit me, and he's like, first time. That's it. Let's get it back. You know? And then, boom, flip the switch, and it was good. And the big thing, though, the key was because the standard wasn't established in the first time, I wanted to talk to both teams. Hey, I don't want there to be any surprises.
Maddie!
Back up, Allison!
If Taylor can't, you do it! Yes, Maddie, go!
Maddie, do it! Taylor!
Oh, yeah, no. Well, he probably, I don't think he
Play out!
Oh my God.
Daddy, from now on, that's your kick.
He did. I was stunned at how nice you were to him after that game.
Well, I was resting Alan there because we're struggling at
That's true. Because that was one of his worst. 40 and several missed still. I don't think we want. I think that was that's anything more than that is putting the players in the right position.
This is not talking about laws, it's managing 30 people.
Yeah, exactly. I think that was a failure.
Hard, you good?
Main person managing
No.
All right, ladies, possession ball now. Let's go get one. Let's go get one.
That was it.
It's your time, ladies. Go get it now.
I have no regrets giving that to him though, because I wanted to see that. I wanted to see it through.
That's the reality. There'll be no notes. Well, you know
Yeah. No.
Get it out.
If I wasn't
Get it out,
I'd be
ladies.
in real big trouble organizing stuff and in general with the treasury. Yeah. Yeah, exactly.
No, don't kick the puck.
No. Right away. And then quit. Or go back to playing or something. Which is fine. But, you want to bring them in the fold. Yeah.
We gotta get the ball out. Get it out.
Go bring him to your friend over there. I talked to her about I think next weekend at Western. Are you coming to Western Oregon next weekend? No, nothing to see there. Yeah. Yeah.
Coming to you,
All day
Mo.
long dealing with that
Coming
bullshit.
to you.
it's not that I'm angry or I'm someone. I'm not going to get this situation.
Don't want to be triggered. That's it. What about Jim Cups? Did you meet yesterday? Yeah.
Get an option.
So get that old bugger out there and catch with us. Yeah. Be able to get a good feel for what the hell's going on.
Now look, Eddie, pick the ball up. Pressure, ladies. Pressure.
Yeah.
Where's the pressure?
Giving him this look, everybody's watching. Look. I'll hold on.
Get that, man. You gotta get there.
It's still fun to watch the old curmudgeons. Oh, good. There you go. So then we'll catch you. There's one more after this, and then we'll. You're gonna be all right hanging around. You're gonna want to hang around. I'm sorry. I'm nothing but freaking bananas all day long.
It's the most solid food.
Yeah, no,
very simple stuff.
yeah. Let's put a Makers in my gut and some food. Oh, again! Come off it. No.
Yes, I am.
Do you have anything busy right now?
Unless someone gets hurt out there, I'm okay.
Okay. Well, I was just wondering, can you take my name?
With what?
I don't know. Can I come in? Yeah. And I like.
It's $3.
Just okay. Well, a while ago I was playing MCL in like 6th grade, and then my meniscus started to flip over because I was using it too much to play, and it just like aches. Really bad, so I don't know what to do. I just thought that stability, because that's what the physical therapist told for me. I used KT tape last summer when I was just therapy, but they just said I need to stabilize it.
Gotcha. So, what have you been doing all season?
Keep going!
Protection,
Rock over!
Well, it's like just now, within the past week, really starting to hurt.
Okay. Just started hurting again.
I think it's just like, no, I think it's just overusing it. I really don't know.
I'll be right back.
Okay.
Abby, walk up! Abby, walk up! Abby, walk up! Walk up! Yaha, come here. Yaha, come here. Yaha, come here. What, are you playing hook or lock? Lock.
Wait, we gotta wait. We have to wait for a stoppage.
So when we go in,
Fine.
you're gonna we have to wait till there's
Sub, sir!
Sub! Sub! He just played it.
You and Scout, lift AJ. Maya, move to the back.
G to lock. Tell G lock. Or no, yeah.
Yahira, you're locking.
Yaha, lock! Yaha, lock!
You're a lock. You into your lock. Somebody take control of Yahira. Thank you.
Maya, be ready.
I stopped that. I only did it for the summer.
This lady.
The card! Get low, Olivia!
Wait,
Shift, Haley! Shift, Haley! Giselle, go, Giselle!
go! there's so many. No, there is. I just didn't do it this year because I
Sam! Go. Selena! Giselle! Where's Giselle? Giselle! You're inside center, or you're outside center. Go, go. You alright? What's up?
Yep, see how that works for you. It's not much, but it's about all I got.
do you think that I could put my knee brace over it? It's only Velcro, so.
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. It's going to do way more than that. It's going to help kind of keep your hell where it should be.
Okay, thank you.
Yep.
Take a breath. Get back. Hey, go. Put your head back. Hey, you're rugby player. Get your head back. Come on. Get your breath. Some fluids in you. Don't shout in your head. Okay. I'll get you back into this. Okay. All right. Think about the corrections you want to make. What are you doing? All right. Get some fluids in you.
I just burned my hand pretty badly. Do you have anything to... That you crushed?
Ladies, I need fluids. Let's go, water. Selena, when you get out there, tell Giselle. Hey, wait, stop. When you tell Giselle, when she's going to line out, if she's not 100% sure, it's okay to come to ground and then make the pass. She doesn't have to make a bad pass from the top. She can make a good pass from the ground. Go.
That's what I do.
Can you just tape up my leg? Wrap it.
Come over here.
Tell her?
Okay.
No, I couldn't.
I got her. Hey, Giselle.
Go, Haley.
Secure the ball, Giselle.
Run hard, Maddie. Run hard, Maddie. Haley, shoot!
Oh.
Up you go! Up you go!
Sir, sub. Sir, sub. Yo, thank you. Skippy.
That's our jumper to them.
Big strong, ladies. Look where you are. We'll get it back, Green. Card, what side is she on? Sir. Set. Now.
Get with her, Allison. Get with her. Go on, Allison. Cut in, Allison. Allison, this is not your friend. You gotta cut in.
One break, guys.
Water break.
I think he's probably there. Who's at block right now? Is she allowed to play?
She didn't play anything.
Drive, Maddie! Drive, Maddie! Drive, Maddie!
Oh, Maddie, that was ours. Commit to it, Maddie. Once you commit to it, put everything into it. Get up flat. Riley, get up flat. Keep them up.
Bend over.
Hold her, Riley! Hold, Riley!
Good, Giselle.
Work, Abby!
It slowly comes back, alright? It slowly comes back. You just gotta work on it slowly. You can grab yourself a little Gatorade, get a little hydration, okay? Walking's okay, but keep breathing in the nose. And come up, alright? When you go towards that. Okay? Alright. This way.
So you stay here. Just bring out KT.
Coach, what's up? Water?
Stay there.
Jesse! Penalty restart. What's the penalty restart?
Just keep her up and keep her breathing.
Boss, the rest of the thing, you get knocked out of her? Thank you, sir. Put it on top of it. Gators, fight water, Gators, mix it all up. Mix it up. Here, you're going in. You're knocked out here. Sucks.
Right tackle. Grounded. Let's go online! Back 10, girls, back 10. 10 meters. It's a penalty, so back on the 10 meter line.
You say penalty restart?
Yeah.
You say why?
Late tackle?
Oh, a penalty when scoring the try? Thank you. Cover the ball! Ladies, cover the ball when we do that.
Pressure! Pressure! Did he say who that penalty was on? I would like to know which play.
On a 12.
12?
Pushing the play on the track.
That's weird. Thank you. What? Oh, is it you? Okay.
Good hustle.
Sir, may I make a substitution, please? Giselle! Card, you're in. So just push your line out, all right? Hey.
Where am I?
You're back at flat. Just push your line out one. Come here, Muscles. Where you going? You're right. Hey. What? Thank you. Hey, I can't run it out. It's playoffs. Can you take this essential? Thank you. Thank you. Here you go, Cassie. Thank you. G. 5 minutes.
Corner post. Communicate, ladies.
Help us.
You're fine, Selena. Run hard, Maddie. Maddie! Maddie! Taylor Chase! Maddie, get it up! Sure.
it, Allison. Get it, Allison, get it.
Defense.
Good work, man.
My bad.
Line out! Our ball! You guys got less than 2 minutes. Play it on.
Halfway mark on here.
Hinani, jump! Card, go to scrum half. Card, go to scrum. McKenna, Bob.
Over here.
Let's go, ready?
Watch for them to run around, right? Your mouth guard in. Ready, stand. Down.
912. All right.
Jasmine.
Fair ball, Hinani.
Jasmine. We win?
He said not yet.
Oh, no?
He said he'll let me know.
Oh.
Stay strong! Oh, okay. Watch, remember to get your feet!
This is it, you guys. Big push.
Touch. Fight.
Line up on your girl!
Set.
Drive! Drive!
That's it.
Maddie!
Go.
Diamond!
Yeah, run this, ladies. Go get one more. Raiders.
Let's go. Run hard.
Yes, Abby. Abby was the referee.